No, I've heard, let's verify something from here, if you don't mind. I have heard that you really want to be Catwoman. That this is not a joke, that you sincerely see yourself as Catwoman in the DC universe, like in a movie, not in the reality.
Okay, I've said that in like a couple interviews because, you know,
2 points make a line.
Whatever, I get asked questions like, if you were a superhero, which one would you want to be? And I just always think of Catwoman because I just love that character and I love the Catwoman movie. But sure, yeah, but it's not something like I think about every day.
So because they're casting right now, Robert Pattinson, we found out, is the new Batman.
Yes.
And they might be casting the Catwoman.
I mean, I'm just not even gonna try to get that part. There's just no way in hell they're gonna cast me. They're gonna get that out of here.
Let them know right now that you want to be... When we come... When we...
Is that what a cat does? You know what? I don't love you anymore. Okay? And you know what? I'm in love with Aubrey. We're in love with each other, and we're gonna start a family.
That's right.
Right in front of our child, you're gonna say that.
Hey.
In front of my child.
Hey!
What, Aubrey?
Ingrid is a grown woman, and she deserves to know the truth, don't you? I do.
Yeah.
She does.
I'm her dad. What are you to her?
I'm her dad now.
The Favorite is here, nominated for Best International Film. It was directed by Yorgos Lanthimos, which also happens to be one of Harry Potter's spells. You just shout, Yorgos Lanthimos, and someone gets fingered in a corset.
So you're out late last night?
Not that late, but I had the Parks and Rec reunion last night.
Oh, at the Paley Fest, right?
Yeah, the 10-year reunion.
How was that?
What's this guy doing?
How was that?
Morning.
Morning.
Because that thing is telling me that you got to go back in time, but you got to bring your own weapon. So I could give you Thor's hammer, or just something to take with you when you do it. So.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I'm gonna put Thor's hammer down, just in case. I think it'd be nice to have it, just in case you want to hit me.
Does it do anything?
I think it sends off bells and whistles, doesn't it? It does something. Yeah. I think that arrow would hit me right in the eye where you got the spider bite.
You need batteries.
And I would have that. Don't hit yourself in the... I don't want the other eye to...
I'll hit myself when I want to.
Now, so what's your strategy? You're going to go on the